In the highlands of old Andorra, where stone speaks only in echoes, there lies a place called the Mountain's Heart, a chasm where sound goes but never returns. Long ago, there lived a stonemason named Serval, a man who spoke more to rock than to people. He believed every stone had memory and every silence a soul. One evening, he found a stone darker than night, colder than loss. It didn't echo, it absorbed. He carved from it a figure, part shadow, part mirror. He gave it no mouth. He gave it his silence. And when the final chisel struck, the statue breathed. It walked through the village and devoured every sound. Children's giggles, crackling fires, songs that had no name, all vanished. Serval begged his creation to stop, but the stone answered in his own voice, "You made me from silence. Now I belong to it." The village emptied, Serval vanished, and the heart of the mountain grew quieter and hungrier. They say, if you shout into the chasm and nothing answers, Durc has heard you and he's listening.